Hey guys, if you're getting the Unreal process has crashed error in Everwind or seeing GPU crash dump triggered, here's how to fix it. First, restart your PC. Then try switching DirectX. If is selected, try DX11 or vice versa. You can also add -DX11 or -DX12 in the game's Steam launch options. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. For NVIDIA or AMD, download the latest drivers from their official websites and perform a clean installation. Run the game on your dedicated GPU in Windows graphics settings, and if needed, disable the integrated GPU via Device Manager. If the issue persists, rename or delete the config and save folders in the game's app data directory. Make a backup first. Then try launching the game from the installation folder or as administrator. Allow all game.exe files through your antivirus and firewall, and verify the game files via Steam. Also, install the Visual C++ redistributables if required. Finally, disable any overlays like Steam, Discord, or NVIDIA, close overclocking apps, update Windows, and check power settings and hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. If nothing works, reinstall the game to a different drive. One of these steps should fix the crash. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fixes.